Menteri ketenat elekai kajela ba shakler warjri hakasni palei ulapan bena ban ai deka scholarship shabaro hirang elekai kibala wanra ya kanam ladu hakalempung elekai jongka Khelo India Youth Games kabalong hachenai hakasni ningkong. Yakani Menteri ulakran hakajingalang penkuk burom ya kakunhun hakajingalang kabalong hasekretariat.
My name is Samshikran Mufra from Messenger.
My name is Tebo from Rivers State. My name is Mevana Minti Masharin. I'm from Rivers State. My name is Bandar from Rivers District.
My name is Babila Balang from Messenger.
My name is Bipius Jimara from Iskar Hills.
My name is Easter Salsang Syed Sangma. I'm from Iskar Hills, William Nagar.
My name is Wan Bolang Walang. I'm from Balat, Southwest Kasil.
My name is Halkam Zimu. I'm from Iskar Hills. My name is Rawitya Alai. I'm from Iskar Hills. My name is Malinda. I'm from
Thank you so much.
Like you want di district Baper pila ya lecture jengai nala yeng pila English tom pila ya IT mat bermensim pila practice bah berkamtam aku beri kepang coaches ke entire team pila English tom ya kaba pila la bengonra di trofi kalong sisa ke buram omtom nak kebutaj ni kesedit angka kalong ke buram nak kebutaj iwe ke kajing le bahaga jumpi kajing tristom kajumpi kanum long kabali no nakalian kajungi nang yai don rengkat lang bapi bar hakaju ka poru ni sayo bengin ID scholarship yapi hakasni ko hakaju ka por ya ka bengin sam yang ya ki medal nakamta kitu ki job o bengin sam ki kusnam nakamta kitu ki job aka megalaya games ni sayoru ya ka bengin ID scholarship nakamta jumpi baro iwe this session kubishibona. I would like to state that on Monday we'll be distributing the scholarships along with the prizes that we'll be giving to the medal winners was won medals in the Meghalaya Games. So all of you will be included on Monday. So session I kubli kerpang ibaro ki coach kamtam la itrisitom de ngirungin nang ya kusang ni don rekat benirap ibaro kinu kila kubang mengila. Di tangni mungkin menjadi kubisbon.
Teng jonga de kunin salmon ning do. Kadisnong namo kroat. Ngalong kumbu tim kapten jo kanika tim balik ka Khelo India ha Tamil Nadu.
Pi so kumno ba pi yo ya kene jujam champion.
Kalau ke ba sngau komen mo sngau sarong ba first time mo bang kadi ka sin ka paningkong ba state jungi kala ban Korea ka gun medal de kadiru bun sinangi ki player te ki bun bang la kisnem ba la de medal Syahariana punya le siap indoor tambah gitu ki pon yo ya ka bronze medal teman tapat ngisau komen bang la yo ban yo ya gold medal ban wanra burom ya ka yang kasem ya kamtam ya ka state ibaro ko
Yan KPI kata jung kublai hero kini to jung
hak baningkong tengah aku ban ai kublai ya beli terang rat hi balak don kat bangi nadu pastang haduk mentahi pengiwan kai apo i te ka baga ningkong tengah ai ku beli ruya ki kena ki balak kai ka junior BC Roy junior ki ba makihi ki ba qualify syakane ka top 8 team teh bangi nyo le ka Kilo India te ka kredit kulit ceki te kredit bakam kongsan kalit syaka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs te si ikut cungi sarjaf si isa malos paksa andi ki bala treatment peminsim ban IT nang bandam pelat korngi kena ban practice bagi kaya ngi kai ke bangi de ban le hai bangi kai ka tactics jong i te ka Arab sebut ini player ban la ban puasa ta thong chong chung chong